stay outside. You take that out the back now. No, not in the lounge room. Out the back. The sticks go out the back. Go on, out the back. Now, come on. Sticks go outside. You take it out the back. Out the back. No, I'm serious. Come on. Come on. Come on. Quickly. You take that stick back outside. Good. I don't know. Well, I know how you got it through the dog door, but don't bring it in. Stick is an outside toy. No. You leave that out there. No, it's an outside toy. You leave that outside. I don't want it inside anymore. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Good man. Thank you.